Hi everyone, so in today's class I'll be teaching you how to make a business card. So firstly, you download an app called Business Card Maker. Download the app. So when you download it, you enter. So this is the interface and it's loading, so we wait for it to load. Yes, so this is it. So when you enter, you can see a sample of the card here, and you can do the card horizontally or vertically. So for my own, I think I'll go with the horizontal. So the templates are loading. Can you see? We have different types of templates, so you choose the one that you like. You choose any one that you like. So let me check. I love blue color, so dark blue sha. So I'll be using something that has blue in it. So let me just use this up one here. I can see it has blue too as the background, so I'll click on it. Then I'll click on the logo to delete. Then I'll come here to these stickers. Just check the right hand side of your phone so you can see text, sticker, BG effect. So I'll click on sticker. Then I'll choose gallery here. Gallery. This is it. But it's the background, so I'll change it. Go to stickers again, then my gallery. I don't know why, but this thing, the background is showing, so I think I'll just change the color of my background here to black. No, I'll raise this thing up here. Then I'll click on the background, or you can just come here, this background close to sticker, so you just click on BG. Then you come to color here, color, then you choose black. You move this thing with your hand, so choose black. Yes, can you see I've changed the background to black? So I'll bring this thing down here. Yes, so I'll increase the size of my logo. Yes, so then the slogan, I'll click on it. Then I'll come to the right hand side. Can you see edit color font? So I'll click on edit. I'll click on that pencil that is there. Then I'll write my slogan. Designing with passion. Creating with purpose. Yes, so this is my slogan. Add. Can you see it? So you make it to be the way you want it. So I'm done with this one here. I'm done with the front, so I will save it. So this is save down here. After BG there's effect, then save. Then you just click on save and it will save directly to your gallery. So it's playing an advert, so we wait for the advert to finish playing. So the advert have finished playing. Can you see? So it's saved now. It have already saved in our gallery. So the next thing, we'll go and do the back now. The next thing you are going to click is here, this home button here. So click on the home, then you come back to horizontal card. Then you click on the back. You know, we have, this is the front. So this is the back. Now we are going to do the back too. You click on it. So the back is not that hard. The front is more harder than the back. So because you have to add a logo, but the back you don't need any logo. Just edit the text and write what you want there. But the back too, there are some have logo at the back too. If you want, you can remove them, and if you want, you can leave them. So we wait for it to load. When it finish loading, yes, so the first thing we are going to do is to change the background to black. So you click on BG at this side, the right hand side, BG, then come to color, then you choose black color. Yes, so perfect. Then I'll click on this Michael Jones here. I'll click on it, Michael Jones, and edit this pencil here. Then I'll edit it and write Hasya Graphics. Yes, so this is it. Then I'll edit this phone call to here, edit and add my number. Okay, so this is it. Then email, I'll edit and I'll write my email. Then location, so this is it. I'm done with let me shift this location close to the icon. Yes, so perfect. Then now I'm going to save it. So it's saving. Yes, so that's all for making a business card. So now we'll go to our gallery and check our design for the business card. See it, this is the back and this is the front, so it looks perfect. Thank you for watching. Bye.